Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I was about to say welcome back to my video. Okay, so today we are doing an unboxing, and what are we unboxing today? It is the what is it called? I'm looking at it here, but it is the AIA box, the American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle. And it is a monthly subscription. I think it is about $38, $39 a month, where they collaborate with one brand. So you get 5 to 6 items from that one brand. So let us see what that brand is this month. Okay, I like this. And the box, it says be strong, be beautiful, be you, from AIAawards.com. Okay, love that. Okay, and then you get a little card on the inside, and it says it is from Well People. I've never heard of Well People before. And it looks like, oh, we actually get 6 items this time. Usually we only get 5 items. It looks like it is some makeup and some skincare. So that is always a good mix. We love that here. So what are we going to start with? Okay, let us start with this big hunker right here. It is the Juice Cleanse Soothing Aloe Face Cleanser. All right. I hate when things are taped shut. Okay. And, oh, it's a nice ceramic feeling bottle right there. And, yeah, that feels really nice. Let's see what it says. It is retail value $18, a gentle hydrating gel cleanser that will leave your skin feeling clean, refreshed, and renewed. A gentle gel cleanser that helps remove dirt, excess oil, and impurities from the surface of your skin. Hard-working, plant-powered ingredients help maintain a hydrated, healthy-looking complexion, help skin feels refreshed and renewed. Oh, we love that. Let's open it up here and see. It is gel. Oh, that smells really good. That is what it looks like there. Okay. Feels really nice. I've got a big backup of cleansers that I have to go through, but looking forward to trying that out. Let's see what's next. A plant powder foliant. Renewing charcoal exfoliating powder. Okay, we've got that. I'm just gonna rip this open. Okay. All right, another nice hard bottle we've got here, and it retails for $18 as well. So this is a very affordable brand. It says renew and soften your complexion with this water activated powder exfoliator. I have a few powder exfoliators and I really enjoy them. Okay, well, it comes out black. Oh, that is interesting. Little black balls here. You can see. It says renew and soften your complexion with this water-activated powder. I keep saying powder exfoliator. This effective plant-powered powder exfoliator transforms into comforting, creamy lather with a few drops of water. It polishes the complexion while removing impurities, leaving skin feeling soft and smooth to the touch. gentle enough for daily use. All right, I love exfoliators. Okay, let's see what else they have for skincare. We have the Revitalizing Dew Snow Mushroom Eye Gel Cream right here. Also retails for $18. And nothing here is over $22. And we have that right here. And all right, I love getting eye cream. I know lots of boxes give out eye cream, but I can't get enough of it. A gel-based eye cream that targets fine lines and dullness to promote a radiant, bright eye glow. Love to hear it, of course. Awaken your eyes with this gel-based eye cream that delivers rich, weightless, plumping moisture that revives the skin around the eye area. This plant-driven formula helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and fatigue, imparting an eye-opening glow. So that is what she is. Another gel product right there. Smells like the cleanser too. Okay, let's get into some fun stuff here. Let's get into some makeup. Okay, what we have here is some loose super powder, brightening powder. Okay. For $20. That is what it looks like. It looks very brightening. And it just has, oh, can you see that powder come up? It just has a little tray here. And there is the powder there. Oh, it feels, oh my gosh. That feels like butter. You can't even see it on my skin. I'm so pale. Oh, that feels so nice. Wow, this, I'll have to say this for special occasions. That feels so nice. I don't know what to say. It is so finely milled. What does it say here? Create a naturally flawless complexion with a touch of glow while locking in makeup. This translucent, ultra fine, yes it is, powder blurs imperfection, diffuses fine lines, and creates a radiant and rejuvenated complexion without caking or adding texture. Wow, that's... I will definitely have to try that out in a get ready with me or something like that. That is... Did I say that was only $20? Okay. All right. What's next? Okay. We have one of my favorite kind of products, a cream blush. It is a multi-use. It says multi-use blush. Blush is just one thing. Okay. I think they meant to say it's a multi-use stick. Oops, wrong end. It is in Berry Bay, B-A-I-E, and it is $22. This is kind of small for being just $22. That's very small. Oh, and look at that color. Ooh. It is, let's take a swatch. Oh, I love that color. Ah, this looks just like a sample size though. Let's see how far it goes up. And it only goes up that far. This is the only thing I'm questioning here. This multi-use creamy long-wearing blush adds a soft wash of color to the complexion easy to use stick glides across skin for effortless application. All right. And like I said, that was $22. And for $15, we have the Lip Nurture Hydrating Balm in Spice. Love a hydrating balm. Let us see what this looks like. Oh, very cute. It is in the color Spice. It doesn't look very moisturizing. It's very hard. Wait, which was what? This is the balm. Yeah, this is the balm right here. It didn't come out very... Let me show you. It's very hard to squeeze out. And it looks like this. That doesn't look very... what do I know? I don't know. I already have something on my lips. Let's see. I guess it feels okay on the lips. Kind of tastes minty. It's not bad, but it's not like... It's not exactly nourishing either. I wouldn't kick it off my nightstand, but I definitely reach for something else before grabbing this. Okay. All right. Here is the retail value of the entire box right here. And with that, you've got the juice cleanser, you've got the eye cream, we got the exfoliating powder, we got the translucent powder, we got the blush, and we got the lip balm. Let's see what it says about the lip balm. A hydrating lip balm. I don't think it's hydrating at all. That nourishes like a lip mask. Not like a lip mask at all. Plant-powered ingredients soften the lips and deliver lasting moisture, plus a sheer wash of color and healthy shine. Is it shining? Yeah, I guess it's shiny. I don't know. If you've gotten this box, let me know what you think. It just feels very heavy on my lips. That's what it feels like. It feels very heavy. That's definitely what I would say. Okay. All right. That is it for the AIA Beauty Bundle. Let me know what you think down below. If you got it, let me know what you thought. If you are, I gotta put this back on over it. Okay. And if you don't mind, please leave this video a thumbs up. It really helps to get my channel out to other viewers like yourself. Lets me know that you like this kind of content. And okay, if you are new here, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, setting it all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I hope you are having an amazing, fantastic day today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and I am sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. I'm just going to say I'll see you next time. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching and goodbye.